Hello, 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 greetings. Everyone out there who's watching and listening, it is Wednesday, Wipe 'em Out Wednesday. How's everybody doing? Thanks for tuning in. Just gonna look at a few charts today. I'm gonna start off here on the Nasdaq. So if you don't know, the Nasdaq is an index of the tech stocks. You could think of Bitcoin as kind of similar to the other ones that are in there in the idea that it's basically software. So if there's any similarities to the regular stock market, you could think of it as fitting into this category. So looking at the Nasdaq today, we pumped up a little bearish divergence forming here and a wedge pattern, which is typically a bearish look. If this trend line breaks above here and we take out this level on the RSI, that would negate all of this, but we have two indicators confirming the bearish divergence on this. But again, this could get wiped out pretty quickly with the break of a couple levels here. Here and here would be really good for the bulls. Next chart, taking a look at the total too. Now what this is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. So this is all the altcoins. You can see here I got a few levels drawn on this. This descending trend line came back for a retest over here. Got like a double, triple bottom, strong area of support around this 425 billion level. And we're fighting this resistance, this rectangle here right now, trying to get through it. If we could get through these levels, take out this level specifically, that would be good for the altcoin market. I would expect to see that happen if Bitcoin continues its march upwards and the risk lowers on the crypto market in general. Most likely see some capital start flowing into some altcoins. Moving right along, and what a difference a day makes. Big green candle today, Bitcoin no lower wick, showing just a lot of buyers out there. We got a bull cross on our stochastic RSI. Kind of broke out of this parabola, so this is no longer valid. However, we are still in this channel here. This level here is still our resistance at 28,875. We'll see if we can break through it and run through the stochastics real quick. 4 hour, we tapped our 100 line, fresh cross down. Today I drew a line on the 0 on the stochastic RSI, so this works similarly to the 100 level. It's just a good reference point to see the strength or the weakness in the market. Just another data point to see how the lines interact with that level. 6 hour kind of ticking over, 12 hour up, 18 hour up, daily fresh cross back up. You could see we didn't really even come close to the 0 level. We turned around right at the 13.2, and the red really never made it out of the 20. Well, it just clicked right below it, but we'll see if this bullish momentum stays with us. We'll see that turn back up soon. 2-day trying to cross back up, 3-day crossing back up. This guy's been tricky the past few days, huh? Back and forth and back and forth. 4 days up, 5-day up, 10-day up, 2 week sideways, weekly touching the 100 level. Is this a double top before we reverse? It is possible. You can see that happened over here, over here. I'll just have to wait and see. 3 week up, touching that 100 level, and our monthly is still up. Next chart, we got the Ichi on the weekly. Just wanted to look at this again. You can see our two lines are starting to flatten out here. These are all bullish signals. This red over the blue, and the blue ticking up and coming into the cloud, and this candlestick right here, Dragonfly Doji, a lot of buyers coming into the market right there. But if we take this Ichi off, we are still facing this big resistance here at the 30,000 level. And we're going to be fighting that until we get through it. We'll see if we can do it, see if we got enough momentum. Checking in on our little short trade. We are technically still in it, have not hit our stop or our target. We're back up to the top of the range. Again, this is a really small risk on this, so if we do get stopped out, it'd be a minimal loss. But that's just part of the game. Remember, you're not wrong if you take a loss. You're wrong if you don't follow your plan or manage your risk. One other chart I was looking at here. So this formation we were looking at yesterday, this is now negated, this descending triangle. What I drew here is a potential bull flag now. You can see here we got our pole flag, and if this comes out, measured move with the pole up at this $40,000 level, somewhere in that area. That may seem ridiculous right now, but it happened before on the way down right here. And what goes down must come up, and what goes up must come down. And this circle here is just for symmetry. This is a pretty symmetrical type of look right here. You can see our bottom of the market was almost right in the middle. So this little dot is the middle of the circle. The only reason I have this on here is for a symmetrical look at the market. So we'll see if this plays out. It's definitely in the cards. It's definitely possible. Markets like to have some symmetrical looks sometime. So we'll see how it goes. So general thesis. More sideways, bulls showing up today. A little bit of momentum in the market. We're still in our hypothetical short trade. See how that plays out, but some nice bullish action coming in today. See if this Nasdaq can negate this divergence, and we will be watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Mr. E. Wherever you are, have a wonderful night. See you tomorrow.